In this video, I'm going to go through how to add a pop-up action to a report. So what that will look like is when you're in a report like so, you'll be able to click one of these buttons and then it will pull up a template that you'll be able to edit. So this is a great way of just pulling up a brief snapshot of information from a record or being able to edit multiple aspects of the record at once easily. The way to do this is to go into App Studio, add a new action field, select the title, so this is going to be called Brief, and it is pop-up brief as the identifier, into Action Configuration, and click Open Pop-up Template. So in order to have a pop-up template, you need to make sure that one of your templates has the correct fields in that you want to be able to be shown in this. So I've already created a template which is called Project Brief. So this gives a brief snapshot of all of the information within the record. Go into Action Display Options, select your size. Because we want this to be able to be seen at the report level, I'm just selecting a small size so that it can easily fit within the page. And then select the icon that you would like to use. So as this is just a snapshot of the entire record, I'm going to select this one here and save. So now you have created the action button, this one here. So then when you go into reports, select the report that you want it to be shown. So this will be Plan Register. Go down to Report Fields and add the report field. So we want it to be called Brief, fixed width, and we want it to be tiny. So then pull this to the correct place within the report. So for this one, I want it to be one of the first fields that people see. So I've put it up here. So then you can click Save. Publish this. So adding a pop-up action to the report. Okay. Once the app has been published, you can go back into Workspace and resync. And you can see here that we now have a new pop-up button, Brief. And this brings up the project title, program, business unit status, etc. So you can edit the template as much as you like, and the way to do that is just through the normal template option. So Project Brief is the one that I created. So you still add and remove fields and move them around in the same way that you would do any other template, and then this will be reflected in the pop-up. We hope this has helped. Thank you.